Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I met a fellow YouTuber, Kellman from Kellman Explores. Kellman, say
Alex,
hi to guys.
good to meet you. I know you're filming, but I'm Kellman Explores, and I met Alex here first time on Star of the Seas, largest, newest cruise ship in the world.
Oh, definitely. And the curious thing is, from our both channels, we look at the ships in a different perspective. Me from a lifestyle, Kellman from a techie.
Techie, yes.
And we have this idea, we'll walk around the ship, going to different spots, and tell our opinions as we go on.
Absolutely.
Seems
Love
good?
it.
Let's go.
Perfect. Let's go.
One of the things both of us like to do is our 10,000 steps.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try every day. By the way, we are at the promenade, and one of the conversations we had a few days ago was about the tender ships. You know, I'm like, I hate the idea that we have to be inside one of these things with 450 people.
Wow.
Yeah? And I liked your answer. It was on the raft.
On the raft, I would pick, right?
Pick the raft.
Pick the raft because it's going to be hot. I mean, worst case scenario. Hopefully, we never have to, but 450 people anywhere in a small space. No way.
Yeah, we are on the inside. My God, when I first saw this, it doesn't feel like a ship.
No, not at all.
It feels like we are in a mall or whatever, because see, no water anywhere,
Nothing.
nothing. And the ship is so stable, we hardly feel it.
I don't feel anything, and it's pretty rough right now too.
Oh yeah, because it's stormy. We wanted to do some footage outside. Let's see if we can go to Central Park, which is a place I like. I prefer to be outside than to be inside. But this is how we go. So let's have a look at Central Park, even if it's raining. Central Park, yeah,
Let's
we
go.
Wait, there was a nice ladder to go there, wasn't there?
We got to go on 6. Oh yeah, this is the world's largest kinetic sculpture.
Largest, sorry. Okay, you use your technical terminology. Kinetic structure. Oh, it makes an echo.
Kinetic, but it's moving too. So,
Oh yeah.
the world's largest kinetic sculpture.
And we found this way to the Central Park,
Yeah.
which is curious because this is deck 6. Central Park is deck 8.
Oh,
Where is deck 7?
Maybe this
Is deck 7.
a landing and then get an umbrella.
Oh, you can do that. Oh, you're the techie guy. I always forget that we have umbrellas here. And
So we don't get too wet.
but look at this, as you guys can see the scenery. It doesn't feel at all we are in a ship.
No.
But this already existed on the Oasis class.
Correct.
Anyway. But I use this to go fetch my coffee. I go through here every day in the morning. It gives a sense of ritual.
Yeah, I do like this part. It's a relaxing area.
Oh, you like relaxing as well.
I do. That's probably my number one activity on a cruise.
Relax?
Relax. I don't think we need this. So I'll close this.
This is a thing we were talking the other day, was at a swimming pool, everybody's wet.
Yeah.
The rain comes.
Everybody.
Me and Kellman, we stay there. Everybody else runs away.
Yeah. It's just water.
Yeah. Water on water. A thing happens is I've got my cabin to the ocean. You got your cabin to this side.
Facing inside, yes.
Does it kill that mood of feeling in the ship? Or
Definitely. 100%. I feel like I'm at a resort in Miami Beach or something, but on the inexpensive side, no water view. You know, I just see my neighbors, but I like it's tranquil. It's different, something different.
And the peeping toms from the other.
This is a possibility. Yes, maybe I'm one too. Or you don't realize you open the window. Hey neighbor.
But it did happen to me on Coco Key when I opened the window. Suddenly, I got Independence of the Sea in front of me.
Yeah,
I was
that's
just
right.
coming out of the shower.
That's right. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Yeah.
Got a show for you guys here.
Yeah.
So, Kellman, Surfside or Hideaway Beach?
Me personally, Hideaway Beach. I do like this area, but it gets busy. This is a family area, as you could probably guess, but I prefer the adult-only area.
Well, if I'm only adults there, but if I'm with my family, this is the place to be.
That makes sense. Good answer.
And there's a lot of kids here. But to be ready, there's kids. The good thing is creating this area separates the kids from the rest. Well, in Hideaway Beach, we have no kids there, so Cool.
You're right. Beautiful.
That was a bit noisy there by the Absolute Zero.
Yeah,
That bar, I do feel the bar is cool. It's a sports bar,
I agree.
but we've got all that commentators, so we couldn't get the microphones to work good there.
I don't
Hey.
really like sports, but I like that bar. It's a good place to talk normally.
Well, not with that commentator
Nah,
you see now, yeah?
yeah.
Do you have any drinks you have there, or?
Not in particular. Well, spicy margarita. I will
Okay.
say that. That's a good one.
I prefer the bar at the Aquadome to get my espresso martini.
That's probably the best one, actually.
But yesterday we managed to get into the Aqua show. No, not Aqua show, sorry. The Absolute Zero, the ice skating. I love that show.
It was good.
And it does mix a lot of cool environment with technology. Everything here is technology
It is.
driven.
Behind the scenes, in front of you, everywhere.
What about the other show, the Back to the Future?
Back to the Future was great. I did prefer the Soul or the ice skating was, I thought, better.
It's more performance oriented.
Yeah.
The Back to the Future feels like a song movie.
Yeah,
It's-
exactly.
It's a bit weird.
It's very
And if you've
long,
seen,
too.
but it's got the cool effects of the
Very good
technology there.
effects.
But we couldn't film those. The
Oh,
copyright there, yeah. We are here at the Giovanni's,
Yeah.
which is one of the specialty dinings. What is your view or take on specialty dining?
I like them, but I think it is a bit excessive. And there's so much good options on these new ships. Like, I think only if you're celebrating something, it makes sense, or if you just love food. But
Yeah, I'm going to Shops Grill today, but I'm not sure if I'm celebrating or anything. I just want a big steak.
that's a good one, though. That's the best, I think. Chops.
But anyway, yesterday was surf night, or no, not surf night. What do you call it?
Elegant night.
Elegant night.
Yeah.
We had lobster for dinner in the normal dining room. You just had the steak there, the sirloin steak, which is always on the menu, and you get a kind of a surf and turf.
Surf and turf included.
Yeah, so we don't have to pay for Giovanni's. Although this is a pizza, but honestly, two pizza places. The other one is Sorrento's, so everybody
Yeah.
goes to Sorrento's. Of course, the quality is quite different, no comparison. But yeah, do you have a favorite? Is your
With Royal Caribbean, my favorite is probably Mason Jar on
Mason jar?
Mason Jar. It's on
Right.
other ships. It's like Southern food, but big
Yeah.
portions. Yeah,
You see the big boy next to
big
me.
portions. But I only go once. It's too much. Yeah.
Okay.
But Chops Grill is probably overall the best.
Yeah, I
for
was
your
trying
money.
to get into Lincoln Park. But
Supper
it's
Club.
200K,
Yeah.
$200 per person. That's just,
It's very intimate. I heard. Very.
and it's got
Curated.
music, dinner show. So yeah, maybe.
One day, next time, we'll have to do it next time.
We just came up the lifts, and it reminded me these lifts are really cool.
They are.
There are 10 lifts on 2 shafts, and I never feel complications to go by. But this is the thing with this ship. It's huge,
Huge.
but it looks like they put a lot of thought in the logistics and everything going on.
I 100% agree. I don't feel stressed or cramped or overcrowded at any situation.
So what do you think here of the Aquadome?
One of my favorite areas of the ship that makes you feel like you're not at all anywhere in the ocean, in my opinion. Here.
I like all the technology. This is
Oh,
one
yeah.
of the few places where I really love the technology
Yeah,
and how it mixes seamlessly into the shows they do here.
I agree. Absolutely. It's
Of course, my favorite spot here is the coffee.
Ryan Bean. Ryan Bean.
Get my espresso all the time.
That is a good spot.
And what do you think about the shows here?
Amazing. It's almost, I can't believe they're included. This is entertainment you would pay a lot of money for, usually something like this in here, the Aqua Show.
And I've just heard during the captain's talk that they have even scuba divers underneath just in case
Right.
for emergencies and all that. This has been a cool thing,
Yeah.
walking about, seeing the different of opinions,
Yeah.
which is not that different to me.
No. I think we're very similar. And that's what's great about these big ships. So much to offer for everybody. And I
Definitely.
changed throughout the journey too. One day I want to sleep. One day I want to, it's here for you.
Yeah, just I'm trying is to steer away from the buffet.
Me too. We can agree on that.
Yeah, but today is seafood day. We'll have
Yeah.
lobster there, so there we have to go for the lobster.
Yeah, we have to.
First world problems, isn't it?
First of all, exactly 100%.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this small conversation. check Kellman's channel, check my channel, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Alex. This has been great.
Thank you, Kellman.
Bye-bye,
This has been
everyone.
awesome.